Hello children, welcome to the next session, session number 17. And I would like to share one thing to you. I am teaching maths for 5th, 6th, 7th students. I am getting a good response from 7th class as well as 5th class. But I am not getting a proper response from you, from 6th class. Why? I think you are not following or you are neglecting the studies. What I have to understand? Hardly 4 or 5 members are doing their homework. Remaining are not at all doing your homeworks. It's not correct. You have some internal marks. The total internal marks will be based on your class notes only. We remember that. So don't neglect your studies. Right. Now in this session, I'd like to go for a next topic, that is international system. Already in the previous exercise, 2 or 3 questions were left over. Yes, you can do that one. Question number 6, exercise 1.3. Find the largest among these two. That means comparison of the numbers. Which is bigger, which is smaller. You can do that. So now, I am just ignoring the exercise number 3. Now I am going for the next one is in the international system of numeration. So what is that? What is the topic? International system. INTERNATIONAL. International system of numeration. So there are, for any number, there are 2 types of numerations are there. One is Indian system and the other one is international system. Now already we have done with the Indian system. So now international system. So in this, what are the changes and what is the pattern? Right? First we'll know what is the international system pattern. Then afterwards we can go for the difference between them. Right? So in international pattern of system, how the numbering will be there is, first we will have ones, after that we will have a tens, after that we will have a hundreds. It's clear. After that we will have a thousands, and after that it is we have a 10,000s. Up to now it is clear, same as Indian system. Now after this we will have 100,000s. So thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Then after that we will have millions, 10 millions, and we will have lastly we will have 100 millions. This is the international system of numeration. So what is that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 millions. Got it? Now just open your 9 fingers, all of you. Right. So what is the first one is? Close your fingers. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. This is the way to write. Got it? And repeat again. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. This is the international system of numeration. Right? So first keep the heading as this. Keep the classwork and write international system of numeration heading. Then you have to write like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And million, 10 million, 100 millions. Now after this, an important concept, comparison. So comparison between Indian system and international system. Right? So what is it? Where is the comparison and what is the difference? INDIAN, Indian, and international. INTERNATIONAL. Indian and international. Okay. So Indian system and international system. First, we will initiate in the same way. In Indian system, we have ones, tens, hundreds. In international system also we will have ones, tens, hundreds. After that, we will have thousands, 10,000s. In this case also we will have thousands, 10,000s. Then after this it will have lakhs, 10 lakhs, but it will have 100 millions. What is that? HM. HM stands for 100 millions. Then it will have crores and 10 crores. That is CTC. But in this case, 100 millions, sorry, this 100,000, Then next millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. This is the first difference you have to understand, right? So inka clear ga cheppali ante very simple. We'll keep the commas in this fashion. 3, 2, 2, 2. That means ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crores, 10 crores, comma. In this case, ones, tens, hundreds, 3, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 3, then million, 10 millions, 100 millions, 3. That means a comma must be placed in international system 3, 3, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions. Whereas in this case, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is the major difference between the Indian system and international system. Okay. So first after this you have to write this. So in the place of 3, 2, 2, 2. In this case 3, 3, 3. I will put it for you. Commas better. When you have one question and you can expect the same question in the examination point of view. He will give one number and he will ask to write both Indian system as well as international system. So there, to get a perfection at that time, you must be very familiar about this. Okay. Now straight go to the exercise. Exercise number 1.4. So exercise number 1.4. Write the numbers using commas according to the international system of numeration. Right? So write the numbers. Write the numbers using commas. Using commas in or according to the international system. According to international system of numeration. According to the international system of numeration. Right? So look at the first one. There are 4 questions are there. I will explain 2 questions. Then remaining 2 is your homework. 9, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 1, 5 is given. So answer. So it is 9, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 1, 5. So it is ones, tens, hundreds. Since it was given in the international system, next thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. HTH. Then afterwards millions and millions. So where I should keep the commas after three numbers. Since the one more number is not there, just we have to write. So what is the answer? It is 97. 97 millions. Okay. 645. 645,000. 645,000. 315. 315. This is the answer. So means first you have to take the number. After this, place into commas. That means like this. Then you have to write it. Okay. Next. So of course this is all third and fourth class standard questions. But as far as the textbook is concerned, we have to follow that. But the main question is question number 4. So up to now I explained the question number 9 digits only. In that case, if you have 10 digits, how to write? You have to think and write. Okay. So question number 2. 2004841. Okay. Answer. 2004841. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. So where I should keep the numbers? Three numbers. Now what is the answer? I can write straightly 20 million. What is this? Only 48. 48,000. 421. 421 is that. Okay. Now I'll go for the question number 2. Question number 2, Jodi. Collect the mobile number of your friends and family members. Write them using the commas and read them in international system. So that is a homework to you. So don't collect more than what? Your parent mobile number. Write your parent mobile number and write that in Indian international system. It is already given. Okay. So after millions, they have billions. Ones, 100, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. After that, you have billions. Already the answer is next will be right. Okay. Now I'll go for the question number 3. Good question, this one. This you can expect in the examination point of view. So what is that question is? Write the numbers in words both in Indian system and international system. Right? So I'll write 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. Good question, this one. So only one question will be given and he asks you to write both in Indian system and international system. So first I am writing in Indian system. What is the Indian system? So write first 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Right? Now how to write? So how should write? Now what is the part? 3, 2, 2, 2. In the starting I told na what is the combination? 3, 3, 2, 2 combination. So that is 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 31, I'm continuing here, 31 lakhs, 15,000, FIFT, 15,000 and hundreds are not given, I can write directly. 27. That is the answer. What is this? This is Indian system. The same question we have written in international system. International system. Same first write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. Now Indian system we have placed 3, 2, 2, 2. But international system we have to place 3, 3, 3 combination. So it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, TTH, 10,000s, HTH, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. This is the answer. Now how to write? Here we have written 12 crores. But here I have to write 100 HUNDRD 123 millions 123 millions 115 115,000 and 27 because 100 is not given, so we should write and 27. This is the way to write. So this is Indian system and that is international system. So So you can write or you can practice your own way. Take any number and write in Indian system and international system, right? And very important question in your examination point of view is, take any mobile number of your parent or not, or your friends. You have to write in the Indian and international system, because in the previous examinations we got that question. So your mobile number will be 10 digits, not 9. So 10 digits. So 10 digits is not right. Indian system Indian system కూడా తెలుసుకున్నారు. మా సార్ మాకు చెప్పలేదు అని అనొద్దు. ఆల్రెడీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమ్ నేను చెప్పాను. ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. లేకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చెప్తాను. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై ఇట్. ఓకే. So next one you have to write the homework. Look at the question. Question number 4. One number is given. So it is 302,179,468. So it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Right? So because already its commas is given, so it means it's an international system. No need to change that. Now the first question: the digits at millions place. So what is the digit at the million place? No doubt it is 2. So look at this millions. Next, the digits at hundreds place. So what is the answer? Second one, it is 4. Then the digits at 10 millions place. So 10 millions place, what is the answer? It is 0. And fourth one is, how many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there in the number? Okay, it's a tricky question. How many millions? All the students will write 2 millions. But the answer is 302 millions are there. Because you have to read all this at a time. Don't write 2. So how many millions are there? How many hundreds are there? 179. How many thousands are there? 179,000 are there. Right? So this is the question. So there are 302 millions in the question, not 2 millions. 2 millions is the place. Got it? Next, after this, very important chart where the students will not follow that, but you have to follow this conversion between Indian and international system, because lakhs and 10 lakhs will be in Indian system, millions will be in international system. So chart is very simple. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million, right? I will give 1 million, he is giving 10 lakhs. He is the best friend to me. If anybody says that, laugh at fellow or idiot, saying that he is giving 1 million, this fellow giving 10 lakhs to me, he is very best friend to me. Look at this fellow means you have to scold him. Or idiot, both are saying 10 lakhs and 1 million is safe, right? Next, 1 crore. 1 crore, 10 millions. 1 crore, 10 millions. 10 crores, what is this? 100 millions. And next one is 100 crores. What is this? 1 billion. Right? Billion. Next one. After the international system, that is after the millions, 100 millions, you have billions. Okay, that's all. So in the exercise 1.4, I explained 2 sums. Remaining 2 is your homework. And the question number 2 also your homework. What is that? Correct your parents' mobile number and write in the international system. Only one mobile number is enough. And the question number 3 already given. What is that? In that one question is there. First question I explained how to write in both Indian as well as international system. Okay. So that's all. I'll stop in this session and we'll meet in the next session. And maximum of the students are not writing homework. Once again, I am warning you. Don't take it easy. Take it serious. Okay. We'll meet in the next session. Bye.